Hi everyone, Drea here to give you an extra bit of information about our beautiful Wonderwood quilt. This amazing special edition also features some 3D leaves. There are 2 leaves included. One has a design on the front that has a beautiful flourish that you can add for an accent, and the other appears blank. This blank design allows you to use embroidery, try Anita's fonts or another font, and merge in the name of a friend or family member. Then once you've merged your names into your leaves, you can attach these beautiful freestanding leaves using a little bit of hand sewing, and you can place them strategically along the branches of your Wonderwood quilt. You can do this when the blocks are assembled but not backed and bound, or you can assemble your quilt and you still have plenty of flexibility to sew these on directly onto the top of your quilt. This way you can make a bundle of leaves, and as you add loved ones to your family, you can continue to add leaves to your quilt, turning it into an heirloom and a modern-day family tree. This beautiful little addition can make for a big surprise for any family member to add into their collection. We can't wait to see your family trees truly blossom with Wonderwood Quilt Special Edition.